Good afternoon. I am Prof.K. Nagaiah. Today we are going to discuss about the subject cellular and mobile communication. In that cellular mobile communication, the first chapter we are going to discuss now introduction of cellular mobile radio communication. So, in this cellular mobile radio communication, it has started in 1934 in the Polish radio uses a conventional amplitude modulation using in this communication. So, it has started in 1934 and later on in 1935 Edwin Armstrong used by using this FM modulation techniques. After that, in 1946, first time they have used in push button telecommunication. Push button telecommunication, just like for example walkie-talkie. That walkie-talkies, it will be used in the limited area. It is having the every person will carry that walkie-talkie. For example, consider it is in 1 kilometer. That 1 kilometer, whatever the number he wanted to speak to another person, he will just press that. Then automatically they will have the communication. Just like our intercommunication, how many numbers it is having there, that many numbers they will be in communication. That is developed in 1946, and after that 1960 improved mobile telecommunication service IMTS by using full duplex model they have developed. Know that full duplex model is both the ways, transmission and reception, both simultaneously it happens. After that in 1960 Bell Laboratories they come forward and they have started using this cellular mobile communication system. After that another companies they started in 1968 AT&T, and later on again 1976 Bell Mobile Services. So these later on again 1983 advanced mobile telephone systems. In 1991 GSM Global System for Mobiles, and in 1991 US Digital Cellular System. In 1993 CDMA by using different modulation techniques, that may be the QPSK and BPSK, like that. So like that it has evaluated from 1935 to till now. So these mobile radio communication systems, for example, we can say that cordless mobile phones and remote controllers. In a TV operation we will use that remote controls, and handheld walkie-talkies, pagers, cell phone and wireless LAN, like that. These are the examples of mobile radio systems. The mobile radio systems, the mobile itself, that is the mobile, we can move here and there, the mobility will be there. So the portable in the sense we can carry easily, it will be very comfortable to carry out with the small in size. And in this the subscriber, the mobile communication subscriber is nothing but the mobile. So here the classification of mobile radio transmission systems, there are three models. It is in a simplex communication. Everybody knows that the simplex communication, it is only happens in one-way communication. Either the transmitter will have the communication, at that time receiver just only receives. Later on, if the receive from other sides, if they want to transmit something, they will transmit. The simplex means it is only one-way communication, either from transmitter to receiver or receiver to transmitter. And half duplex, we know that it is the same radio channel, both either transmission and reception. In a simplex case, only one way, and the off duplex both the way, but one at a time. It is the same thing. Third one, full duplex. It is the full duplex. We can have a simultaneous radio transmission as well as reception by using time division multiplex or frequency division multiplex. Any techniques they will use, it depends upon the application. So in frequency division multiplication, there are two radio channels will be there. In a frequency radio multiplication, two radio channels, that is, one is forward channel communication. That is, the forward channel communication means it is the base station to the mobile station. So forward means base to mobile, and the reverse means mobile to base. So the forward channel and the reverse channel, we can easily remember that this is the base station, this is the mobile station. The forward means base station to the mobile, and the reverse means mobile to the base station. It happens. The time division duplex sharing the radio is the forward channel and reverse channel. So these, like this, the channels will have a different channels will be assigned for the forward channel communication and reverse channel. The channel numberings will be from one forward channel, the total numberings will be 1 to 1023. But in the forward channel, we are going to use 869 MHz to 894 MHz, this for forward channel. The same thing in a reverse case, reverse channel communication, we are going to use 824 MHz to 849 MHz, that is for reverse. So forward is 869 MHz to 894 MHz, and for the reverse channel 824 MHz to 849 MHz. So next, the paging system. Paging system, the pagers everybody already they have used. The paging systems will be, it is the conventional system, it sends only SMS, it sends only the messages to the subscriber. The modern paging systems like news headlines and stock quotations and faxes, etc. We can see that the messages while watching TV, it will be scrolling on some messages. So that is like only paging services will have sent the messages to the subscriber. Before this mobile communication has started, the pagers they have used. In 1996, that mobile paging services have used many places in telecommunications. So the paging, how it is going to be operation, the transmission and the receiver in a wide area. The paging services will be, first we should have a landline, and then the PSTN, public switching telecom networks, then the paging control office. From there it goes to the paging terminal. Through the landline connection may be there, or the satellite connection may be there, or it goes to the nearest tower. From there it goes to the direct paging. One is, if you want to send the message, the person should have a pager, and from that landline, it is whatever the message we want to send the pager, we have to connect to the public switching telecom network. From there it goes to the paging control. From there the required terminal. So we are going to send the message only from landline to pager. Again, if you want to discuss anything, then automatically from pager we are not going to have the communication. Only we can send the message. So from landline, if you want to send the message, directly we will connect to the PSTN, from PSTN to the paging control room. from to the deliver to the subscriber. Like that, this paging system will send the message from the sender to the transmitter to the receiver. In the cordless telephone system, everybody knows that in the cordless telephone system, the landline from the X subscriber, he wanted to discuss with Y. So then he should have a landline. From the landline, it directly goes to the PSTN, Public Switching Telecom Network. From there, it goes to the another subscriber, Y subscriber. There, the landline will be there, and simultaneously, if they have the cordless, it gives the ring. Then automatically that subscriber will pick up the cordless telephone, and then he can move within the 10 meters range. So that subscriber, if whenever he picked up that cordless, that base itself, it acts as a transmitter. This cordless phone, it acts as a receiver. So we can have the conversation. So here it is required, the transmitter X subscriber, you should have a landline, and the PSTN. At least Y subscriber is having the landline, but this extra facility is there. There is a possibility to have the cordless. That cordless, if normal phone, we can into the cradle and we can have the conversation, but it is connection. But there, this cradle, it is having the cordless. Then automatically, after handling that, he can move here and there without having the connection. That is the wireless connection. So this base itself, it is acting as a link in the connection. That is the cordless telephone system. The cellular, coming to cellular telephone system. This cellular telephone system, provide the connection to PSTN and any user within the radio range. In this PSTN, cellular mobile telephone communication, it is having the characteristics of, we can use n number of users and the larger geographical area, and it is having a limited frequency spectrum, and we can use here reuse radio frequency concept. That is nothing but cell. So here, the cellular telephone system, how it happens. So PSTN, Public Switching Telephone Networks, will be there, and after that mobile switching control room will be there. So PSTN is the one, and the next mobile switching center, and our later on mobile base stations, from base station to the subscriber. So like this, the mobile cellular communication system will work. It is very simple. It is having the first, the PSTN landline will be there. From the landline PSTN central connection to the mobile switching center. From mobile switching center to the all base stations. From there, the subscriber will be there. So in this communication between the base stations and mobile station, it is having the common air interface. The mobile station and the base station, it is having the air interface. There is no connection of landline and all these things. For this, we should have a forward voice channel and forward control channels. At the same time, reverse voice channel and reverse control channel. This forward voice channel, FVC, forward voice channels, for the transmission from base to mobile. And the same thing, forward controlling channels is the same from the mobile to base station. And the reverse control